So here in this follow along, I want to show you how you would go ahead and create a case in AWS support. I am using the business support plan here, and you can see that I have a bunch of different support cases. I definitely have a lot on CloudFront because it's given us a lot of trouble. But anyway, let's work our way through this and create a new case here. And then you're going to be presented with a type of case you want to choose. So if you were on the basic tier, technical support would be grayed out. You'd have access to both account billing support and service limit increase. So if I just click here, you can see here if I want to report a billing thing, I can choose the type. So I'd say billing. I would choose the category. So I could say I have a question about the free tier. And then you could specify the response time here. Okay. Or I guess they call it the severity, and you'd write your subject description. You can attach up to 3 attachments there. And you can only choose to talk to them via email, okay? So we have chat and phone, but these are disabled. But I think the real interesting thing to show you in support here is technical support, okay? So with technical support, this is where we're gonna be able to ask technical questions about AWS services. So if I wanted to drop something down and we would type in CloudFront here, because again, I said CloudFront is something we spend a lot of time on. And then you would choose the category. And so now the category is going to narrow down based on the service. And on the right-hand side, they are going to give you suggestions, okay? But we can go through here and say, I'm having an issue with caching, okay? And then you could choose the severity. So we'll just leave it at general. And then sometimes they ask you to provide additional information. It's optional, but it's going to save them time to help you out. You'd have to go through your account to find those values. It's going to change based on the service. And then down below, we can write in whatever we want. So I could say, I am having issues with my distribution. Okay. My cache values aren't showing up, aren't being served. Okay, and so you could choose the preferred contact here. Now this is very simple. You don't get any type of formatting or bolding, so you have to be a bit creative to display that information. But you definitely want to try to create all the steps for them to replicate it, okay? And then down below we have web, chat, or phone. So we'll give chat a try here, okay? And I'm just gonna hit submit. And then we will get here is a chat window pop up there, okay? And so we'll just wait here for a little bit. Well, I just wanted to give you actually a better example here. So I just left that window there and opened up a previous case I had here. This one actually is with CloudFront Lambda Edge. And so once you are chatting with the cloud engineer, it will actually save all this within the case later on. So if you need to read what you were talking about, that's going to be saved there later. If for whatever reason the cloud engineer cannot solve it and they need to go off and try to replicate it or reach out to someone else in the team, they will do so, and then they will come back to you with the answer later. And so they will provide that there, and that's what happened in the case here. Okay, and generally sometimes they will go out and actually bring back even more information for you there, okay? So you can even see that this cloud engineer had to go talk to the cloud formation team to resolve this case here. So you definitely can really reach the experts within AWS to solve your problem. So there you go. That's generally the follow along here in a nutshell for creating a case, okay?